Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a, teleportation button. And if you wanna call it like a sell button thing, I know many games have like a sell button. So when you click that, you teleport to a special place, and you automatically sell. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this button and how you also can make that into a game pass. So you need a game pass to use that button. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with making a screen GUI, and I'm gonna call this TPB, teleportation button, teleport button. Anyway, and then we're gonna insert a text button. I'm also gonna change the size. Okay, so when we made this button, I'm just gonna call it TPB also. And then I'm gonna insert a local script and also call that TPB. I think it is a local script, otherwise I'm gonna do the same thing as the last video. I'm just gonna change. But we're gonna say script.parent.mouse button one click connect function. So we're gonna connect to a function every time we click this button. And that function is gonna be game.players. Actually, I'm just gonna do this local p is game.players.local player. And again, I'm also gonna say p.character dot lower torso. Yes, that's how you. I think that is how you spell it, right? Yeah. Dot C frame is equal to C frame dot new, and then in here we're gonna paste the position that we want to teleport to. You don't need a special part for this, but I'm gonna use this part for it. So every time we click this button, we teleport to this. So you just need to take the position, and then we can delete this part again. So we always gonna teleport to that position. So now when we have that, this was super simple. This is just a teleport button. Boom, we teleport to that place. We can teleport again, and we can teleport again. So this very thing for today's video is super short, but I'm also gonna do another video where I'm gonna show you guys how to make this into a game pass. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check this game out in the description, and follow me on Twitter, link in the description there, and everything else in the description. See you guys, peace out.